Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks from clay. First, gather your raw clay material. It's crucial to select clay that is relatively free of large stones or organic matter to ensure strong, durable bricks. Next, prepare the clay by breaking it down and adding water. You'll want to achieve a consistent, pliable mixture, similar to a stiff dough, with a moisture content of around 15 to 20%. This ensures it's ready for the next step. Now that your clay is prepared, it's time to mold the bricks. Use a sturdy brick mold, typically measuring about 8 inches by 3 and 5/8 inches by 2 and 1/4 inches. Firmly press the clay into the mold, making sure there are no air pockets and all corners are completely filled. Scrape off any extra clay from the top, then gently invert the mold to release your perfectly shaped green brick. After molding, the bricks, now called green bricks, need to dry thoroughly. Place them in a shaded, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heavy rain. This slow, even drying prevents cracks and warping. The drying time varies but typically takes several days to a few weeks, reducing the moisture content significantly. Proper drying is essential before the final firing stage. The final and most crucial step is firing the bricks. This happens in a kiln, where temperatures can reach between 900 and 1000 degrees Celsius. This intense heat vitrifies the clay, transforming it into a hard, strong, and weather-resistant material. After firing, it's important to let the bricks cool down slowly inside the kiln to prevent any thermal shock, ensuring their integrity and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.